Hi, I'm Bob from Adobe, and today I'm happy to announce something revolutionary. Adobe Photoshop 1.0, a powerful software tool that allows you to design using photographs almost any image you can imagine. Start with a scanned photo or an original drawing. It doesn't matter whether it's bitmapped, grayscale, or continuous tone color. It comes on a modern storage system, 3.5-inch floppy disks. So after installation on this modern Macintosh computer machine, you have full access to all the tools in Photoshop. This software program allows you to do amazing things with photos. I can click and zoom in or even out multiple times to see all the details in high black and white fidelity. I can work on this image in beautiful 1-bit. Select the lady with a magical wand tool, copy, and even paste her in to create a twin. Or I can select this island in the background and just move it to the side to create a second island. There is even the option to add text to an image that you can customize in size and appearance. We at Adobe believe this program has potential, could become famous. Maybe even one day it could do things magically, like adding parts to image areas that look so real you won't believe it. Some might call this future mumbo jumbo and voodoo, but honestly I believe it's going to be really good. Adobe Photoshop 1.0.